Two methods for connecting the floats of concrete floating docks are commonly favored. The method used by Bellingham Marine is the whaler connection system. This system uses the wood whalers to tie the floats together. Wood whalers are laminated layers of specially treated construction-grade timbers, usually 2 or 3 layers thick and staggered to form a beam. The whalers are fixed to the floats by a large number of through rods, bolted at the ends and the bolts recessed into the wood to protect the hulls of the boats. The beauty of the system is twofold. A whaler connection system distributes loads to all attachment points, and the system can be maintained with nothing more than a simple wrench. In addition, the wood whaler is an ideal material for the types of loads found in the marina environment. Wood can be bent indefinitely without fatigue and has the unique ability to withstand extremely high instantaneous loads. Another method of connecting the floats is the cable connection system. Cables run the length of a string of floats, then are hydraulically tensioned and terminated at the ends. The system is more complex, and special tools are required for maintenance. There are two structural problems with this system. Picture the kinds of loads that a flotation system must withstand. For example, a large power boat with a wind against its hull transfers that load to the float. These loads can easily run 5,000 pounds and more depending on wind velocity and size of the boat. A cable-connected system has no way to distribute these loads. They act on the connection between adjacent floats. Almost the full force of the load then becomes a shear load, working to snap, abrade, or fatigue the cables. If the cables hold, the concrete surrounding the cables now becomes the weak point of the design, a starting point for potentially catastrophic failure. By contrast, loads on a whaler system are highly distributed. Loads are transferred up and down the structure on both sides, much like a monocoque fuselage on a modern airplane. By the time the load is divided among 25, 50, or 100 attach points, the load at each point is proportionally diminished and benign. Whaler-connected systems are easy to work with. One can perform routine maintenance and all the floats remain attached. By contrast, a cable-connected system acts like a string of pearls. Break the connection and individual float modules drift off in all directions. Proof of the strength and durability of the whaler connection design is easy to find. In thousands of marinas all over the world, some more than 45 years young, the whaler connection system has outperformed all others.